Hello friends, welcome to my channel Botanical Studies. In this video, we will discuss about types of system of plant classification. The discussion will go through following points: types of system of plant classification, artificial system of plant classification, natural system of plant classification, phylogenetic system of plant classification, types of system of plant classification. There are three types of system of plant classification: artificial classification, natural classification, phylogenetic classification. Let us study one by one. First, artificial classification. This is the earliest system of classification, which remained dormant from 300 BC up to about 1830, were artificial systems, which were based on one or few easily observable characters of plants, such as habit, like trees, shrubs, herbs, etc., or floral characters, particularly the number of stamens and carpels. Such type of classification using some arbitrary or at least easily observable characters, often irrespective of their affinity, is called artificial. The sexual system of Linnaeus is the good example of artificial classification, which uses only one attribute, that is, the number of stamens, for grouping plants into 24 classes, as a result of which various unrelated taxa, which are not at all related but similar in one respect only, have been placed under the same class. In India, ancient Sikh Charak listed 340 plants in Charak Samhita. Parashar Sikh in Vriksha Ayurveda described the plants on the basis of characters in flowers. Theophrastus, Greek philosopher known as father of botany, published a book, Historia Plantarum, classified 500 plants based on plants' habit. Callius Plinius Secundus, a Roman naturalist, published a book, Historis Naturalis, describes 1000 plants on the basis of uses. Second system of plant classification is the natural system. These systems of classification are based upon overall resemblance, mostly in gross morphology, thus utilizing as many taxonomic characters as possible to group taxa. Charles Darwin proposed a theory of evolution in 1859, postulates that the present day plants have descended from those existing in the ancient past through a series of modifications in response to changing environmental conditions, which means that all present day plants are related to each other in one way or another. Thus, the closely related plants should naturally be grouped together. This is called natural classification. Thus, larger the number of characters shared by different taxa, the more closely related they are to each other. This is the basis of modern classification. This system, initially proposed by John Ray, De Candolle, and Lindley. Swedish botanist Carolus Linnaeus recorded 6,000 species by this system. Michael Anderson published a book, Families, the Plants, in 2 volumes with 58 families. Augustin Parame de Candolle, French botanist, published a book, Théorie élémentaire de la botanique, in Paris. Third system of plant classification is the phylogenetic classification. This classification system, proposed after Darwin's theory, are mostly phylogenetic. That is, they use as many taxonomic characters as possible in addition to phylogenetic, that is evolutionary interpretations. These are expressed in the form of phylogenetic trees or shrubs, showing presumed evolution of the group. The natural system are 2-dimensional, that is based on data available at any time and is known as horizontal classification, whereas The addition of third dimension, that is past history or ancestral history, result in phylogenetic classification, also known as vertical classification or evolutionary classification. The common method of incorporating information into phylogenetic tree is called as cladistic. Cladistic was first introduced by scientist Willy Henning. Clade is a group of plants having common character, common ancestral species, and all of its descendants. A diagram showing evolutionary relationship within one or several clade is known as cladogram. Engler, Hutchinson, Takhtajan, Cronquist classify the plant according to this system. This is all about types of system of classification. Hope you will understand the concept.